Hello all. In this video, I'll guide you how to mark testing completely directly while producing FG. So you can now directly mark a FG tested and passed while producing FG itself, and you can skip an additional step. So for that, you want to open a production module. Under all production process, you can open an PID for which you want to complete it. So after this, you can start the process. So for example, now I'm issuing all the raw materials. After that, after all the process completed, I can mark my target production as 2. And here you can see there is an option of mark item tested and passed. By marking this option and saving it, automatically my FG testing also will be completed and my inventory will also get added. With this option, you can now skip the additional step and also you can ease your process also. I hope this video finds helpful for you. Thank you.